Good morning, everyone. Today we are at Knott's Berry Farm for a weekly update, and we're starting with a burrito and a boysenberry cheesecake brownie, because why not, right? So the Boysenberry Festival ended its daily run last week, but it is running 3 more weekends. Well, 2 more after this one, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday through May 18th, so you can still see all the entertainment, try all the delicious foods. Some of the craft vendors are still here. Some have left, but there are still quite a few left in Ghost Town. So we're going to start with our breakfast and our brownie, walk around, show you some construction projects that have popped up in the park since last time we were here, and tell you about the current ride closures. But we're going to eat this brownie, then get into the update. Here at the Guest Relations Associate's office, right, there is construction going on between the exit and the entrance. What could it be? I don't know. Comment below. Another construction project here in the park is Calico Park, where the stage is. It is all walled off, and we're not sure what they're doing. If you have any ideas, again, comment below. It may be hard to see, but it is actually raining, or at least drizzling. It rained last night, too, because I was at the LA County Fair, then went to the Halfway to Halloween event. It rained the entire way home, so it's kind of nice, though. In a few weeks, we'll be wishing we had the rain back. Here in Fiesta Village, they have moved this little leather car over here to the Fiesta Mercado. That is new. Finally, some news on Montezooma Forbidden Fortress. A Facebook group user spotted some track being delivered to the park the other day. So we are seeing a little bit of movement, and we'll pan around. You can't see through the trees, so we'll go around on the other side, but the spike is completely exposed. All of that tarping is down, so this is the most news we've had in a while. Here in Camp Snoopy, Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster is going down for its annual maintenance, 5/6 through 5/17. So plan ahead. If this is a ride that you're coming to experience, it will be under maintenance for a few weeks. Just happened to notice walking by some new artwork behind the the airplanes over here. I wanted to call this the balloon race, Flying Ace Balloon Race, but that is the balloons. These are the airplanes. Some new artwork, looks really nice. There's some new work walls up around the shooting gallery. These were not here when I was here the other day. Maybe it is getting a refurbishment. We shall see. For those wondering, there are still boysenberry plants. Plenty of them back here available. You can also get the watering can. You could do the plant by itself or the plant and the watering can. GhostRider will be going down for maintenance 5/5 through 5/16. For lunch here at the Ghost Town Grill, I got the salmon salad. There's a chipotle topping that's supposed to be on that we put on the side. Looks really good. There is some new merchandise for the Boysenberry Festival, which I just seen. I have not seen this before. Look how pretty this is. It is, how much? I can't read it. $16.99. It is like a blank notebook. That's really pretty. And then this is new. I saw someone wear, oh, look at that. I saw someone wearing it while we were eating at the grill. I thought they made it, but it is actually for sale. Look at that. How much is this? $32.99. We've mentioned this book before. It is Knott's Berry Tales, the complete history. If you love Knott's Berry Farm, the Berry Tales, or the ride, you've got to pick up this book, written and illustrated by several friends of ours, and they are doing a book signing again here today. There was a presentation with the book and the whole history of this area back in January, and they've been doing a series of these events throughout Southern California, so you got to check it out. We'll put the information down in the description, but they are signing the book again today. But they have another event coming up near Griffith Park. I don't know the date. I know they just had one and added another, so we'll let you know about that down in the description when we talk about them. But pick up the book, support our friends. You can get it here at Knott's inside the factory store. There are some new Spirit jerseys. This one says Knott's on the back. What does that one say? Does it just say California? Oh, it says Knott's. Okay, so the blue one says Knott's on the front, and then on the back it says California. And then the black one says Knott's on the back and Knott's on the front. I actually really like this, just this plain black one. I like this one. Oh, and there's a, what color do you call this? Mauve? Mauve, pink. It says California on the back, Knott's on the front. They're all $79.99. And there's a blue one. Yeah. These are available in Cordy's. We haven't seen them anywhere else. They may have them in other locations, but right now we are at Cordy's. I was at the park earlier this week and noticed an update that we did not include in today's filming, so we'll put that in. And also a really fun interaction with the coyote pups. Let's take a look. I may be mistaken, but it looks like the boardwalk popcorn cart has been moved over here to the area in front of the Calico mine ride. There was always a popcorn cart there, but I thought it was red, so we'll have to go see if it's missing back there. Maybe the other one is under maintenance. You haven't stolen any pies lately, have you? No. I think you have.
Look, if there are no witnesses, you can't say
anything. No, nobody saw. I've seen Whittles. He had a little pie on his face, and maybe he took it.
Yeah, that's right. We can blame Whittles for
Whittles took it.
Perfect. We have an alibi now.
That is it from Knott's Berry Farm, our weekly update. My foot has completely given out, so we're cutting it short. If we missed an update, let us know down in the comments. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Everyone that said hello today in the park, thank you. I didn't catch your name. The viewer that said hello while we're in line for the book signing, nice talking to you. And we'll see you next week here at Knott's.